Morning. A few of you may still be struggling with getting your site up on GitHub Pages. So what we're looking at here then is a project that I've created in GitHub. I made this actually in the video where I showed how to submit your assignment on GitHub and on the Dropbox. So in this folder we have gitignore, a license, a readme.md. But if I try to bring this site up as a website, there's no index.html, so I get a 404 error. So what we want to do is we want to add an index.html in this folder. So here I have my project in Visual Studio Code. And you'll notice that my project has an index.html in it. And it's in the www folder on my project. So we're going to get that up on GitHub Pages. Now in Visual Studio Code, if I right mouse over the folder that I want to get up in GitHub Pages, I can do Reveal in Finder, or on Windows something similar. Then if I go into the www folder, I can see my index.html. So this is what I want to put on GitHub Pages. You notice the assignment 5 handin.html is also here from the last video. What's also here that isn't required is the contact.php. So there's an article about that on My Learning Space where it says that PHP can't run on GitHub Pages, so I don't need that one. You may also have a node modules folder in your repository. So there's my node modules folder. It's a layer higher than you might have. So I have www, and my node modules is at the same level as www. But what I really want to do for GitHub Pages is I want to get the folder that the index.html is in. So once I'm there in Finder, I do Command A. If I'm in Windows, I do Control A. Then I'm just going to Command click or Control click in Windows on this contact.php. Then back here in GitHub, I can just click on Upload Files. Go back to my other Finder window, File Explorer window in Windows. I drag and drop them onto here. And now it's going to give me an index.html in that folder. And indeed I see it's here waiting to be uploaded. Now, it's uploaded these files, but they aren't actually in your project until you commit them. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to click Commit Changes. And it's saying I'm processing my files. After it's done processing, I should be able to go to Settings and follow the link 2/3 down the page into my site. So now we're back, and here is my folder after the commit is completed. And I see in the root of my folder the index.html. If I go to Settings, and go 2/3 of the way down my page, it says my site is published at https://github.io, CP202 assignment 5. Right mouse there, open link in new tab, and shebang shebang, my site is there actually at CP202 assignment 5. Now you'll notice that in the site, because I haven't really done anything to it yet, I have this pseudo Latin text, lorem ipsum text. Of course, you've replaced it so you don't have that problem. But I'm just going to hit Nope for translating.